Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Fuse here and Jeff, our comfort advisor in our sales office here in San Jose, California.
Did you know that Fuse it's a unique company?
Well, we're unique because we're the only contractor in the Bay Area that has not one, not two, but 4 licenses. So we started just with the HVAC license a while ago, and now we came up to 3 more licenses, and those give us so many more options for installation. So look at this.
First of all, we have a HVAC C20 license. The director of our HVAC division is Nikita, who has a ton of experience in HVAC installation and repair. But don't worry, all of our technicians are very experienced and knowledgeable, and we'll be happy to install an air conditioning or heating system for you.
Second, we have an electrical C10 license. Slavik is the lead electrician of our electrician team. All of them always make sure that the electrical service we provide is top-notch and performed according to all the codes and regulations.
We also have a Refrigeration C38 license. With this one and with Costas as a lead technician of Refrigeration division, we always can fix your fridge in no time.
Finally, we have a plumbing C36 license. The lead technician of this division is Sergey, and he and his team are taking care of your pipes, leaks and water heaters.
Us having 4 licenses means that you won't need to call a ton of different companies for your house improvements. We can install anything that you need.
It's give us ability to not only do one single item if there is a problem, but create a big project. For example, if you want to transform your house and make it green, we can do the full assessment without inviting any third party or contract out this and do everything in the house. Find out how efficient everything can be and make it live and make it reality.